Are you someone struggling to understand database administration? By the time you finish watching this video, you will understand database administration in plain English. My name is Aritin, your number one visually impaired software engineer. Let's set the ball rolling. Now, let me give you this simple scenario. Assuming you are traveling, right? You are going somewhere and like your phone is damaged or you don't have a phone, okay? Now, the only option that will come in mind is going to the bookshop and get a book so that some important people in your life, you would jot their contact information in the book. Now, you have gotten to your destination and you want to protect the book from external access. Only thing that will come in mind is what? Getting a trunk and a padlock so that you will protect or you put the book inside and lock it. Now, so let me relate this scenario to database administration. Okay, so the data is the information or the contact information that you have stored in the book, okay? And now the database is the book, right? So when you say database, in simple terms, database is where we store information or a location where we store information. Sometimes some people can say that, oh Charlie, I base in Kumasi, I base in Tema, So now the base here is, the location, and the data is what? The information. So database is what? Where you save the data. So now we have this term DMS, that is database management system, okay? And this database management system is a trunk that you bought to protect your book from external access. So the trunk here is your DMS, and before you can get access to the DMS, you have to get a key or type a password. We have so many DMS in the world. We have MySQL, Microsoft SQL Server, Postgres SQL, and so many others. So let's consider this trunk as a magic trunk, right? And this magic trunk has some commands that you will use to instruct the trunk. So maybe you can tell the trunk, hey Charlie, open, or do this, do that. In database administration, these commands is a language, okay? So the language is called SQL, Structured Query Language, and it's a special language that you will use to communicate to the DMS to perform certain actions for you. So if you really want to learn this SQL, just check my bio. You will see a link to my YouTube channel. Please go and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you. See you in my next video.